is another RC Records production, brought to you by your boy RC the Soul Boy.
Show me love, 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 show me love. Before I'm 6 feet deep in the mud, show me love, show me love, show me love, show me love, show me love,
Yeah,
show me love,
show me love.
Before I'm 6 feet deep in the mud.
Don't betray me like Judah betrayed Jesus for 30 pieces of silver. Remember, treat your neighbor like you would treat yourself. I can't blame you for the things you cannot help. It's sad God for us all and every man for himself. We don't treat our brother man with enough respect. We all for ourselves and we play for keeps. Little homie, you need to sweep around your own front door before you try to sweep around my door. And if you see me in these streets, at least wave at me or speak. Look me in my eyes, you'll see the vision G to D. God take it and he give it, he blessing your household that you can't receive it all. That's the only way to make the right call. Hey y'all, show me love, dawg. It don't mean love just because you give me a kiss and a hug. In other words, actions speak louder than words.
Show me love, show me love, show me love, show me love, show me love. Before I'm 6 feet deep in the mud, show me love, 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 show me love. Before I'm 6 feet deep in the mud.
I wrote a lot of songs, a lot of them didn't get played. I surely hope somebody's soul was saved. I still manage every day to keep a smile on my face and never frown. I built the thing up from the ground, most hated on from my hometown. I'm a king that haven't been crowned, a diamond in the dirt that haven't been found. You gotta stay on defense mode to catch the rebound. 3 points, a slam dunk, the ball on your way down. Cause no one will help you up when you down. They will let you fall face first in the ground. If you can't swim, you bound to drizzle. Sometimes God will break you down to rebuild you back together, make you tougher, even better for any weather. The only true love you can receive it from above, and that's God the Father, Holy Ghost, Jesus Christ. Now that's a true love.
Show me love, 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 show me love. Before I'm 6 feet deep in the mud, show me love, 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 show me love. Before I'm 6 feet deep in the mud.
Love is a 4-letter word we don't know how to use. We use it against one another in the form of a bruise. We don't play the game by the rules. Sometimes we get it confused. It's a clue, this world is so cruel. Everything around you catch rules. These fools packing tools, rob you for your jewels. Now that ain't even cool. That's the reason I dropped the verse, to drop the course, to let you know you gotta put God first. God is the whole universe, he's bigger than any force. The truth hurt, so I had to learn to divert, to turn aside, form a new path, to make a new course, and keep a purpose for better or worse. I bet you everybody showed me love if I was dead face first on a t-shirt. Last ride in the long black Cadillac hearse. Ash to ash, dust to dust. Now that's the only way I'll probably get some true results.
Show me love, 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 show me love. Before I'm 6 feet deep in the mud, show me